This is a simple tutorial on how to make some Christmassy nails. First you need a red nail base, and then we're gonna paint some white tips, kind of like French tips, but it doesn't have to be so precise. And now we're gonna paint 3 dots with the white nail polish to each nail in between the lines of the white and the red nail polish. Now add 2 red dots to each nail in between the white dots, and this creates a nice little pattern on the nails. If you want extra decoration, you can add some dots on the white or red parts of the nail. Here I'm adding a 3rd little dot on the white part, just at the very tip of the nail. And there you have it, your own Christmassy red nail design.